Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to see a stranger's location on Umingle using a Chrome extension. First, open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for Umingle and you will find the extension. Add it to Chrome, then open the Umingle website. So now, click on the video option and you will notice some new settings available. Open the settings and turn on the Show IP display option. Now you can start chatting and see the details. I hope this video helps you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.